Are you struggling to prospect and recruit new people into your network marketing business? Some reps feel lucky if they can bring in one new person a month, while others never even get to bring in 5 new members for the entire time they're with the company. When you learn how to become a professional networker, and you start showing up like an entrepreneur in your business, there is a shift that takes place. You stop chasing people and you become a magnet for success. This shift is a combination of mindset and skill set you need to develop if you want to grow and become successful in this profession. It is important to be relevant and to always be learning and educating yourself on the best practices. I want to help you do that with these simple steps. Step 1. Prospecting mindset. Does social media work? Absolutely. It is a solid strategy to build a lucrative business, but like all strategies, you need to choose one and stick with it until you master it, before moving on to the next one. Many people who leverage social media the right way, make 6 and 7 figures, sponsor thousands of new reps and bring in a ton of new customers. No bothering friends and family. No home parties. No coffee shop meetings. No hotel meetings. That is a lot of time and money saved. So, you just have to decide for yourself, what is the strategy that's going to bring you the most joy and the desired results you want to have. People want time freedom and they want financial gain. So, the more accessible and simple you can make it for people, the more likely they are to get to work. When they get to work, they create results, and when they create results, they stay. Step 2. Understand and develop your personal brand. The first thing you need to understand about creating a brand is the difference between marketing and sales. Marketing is what you do to build credibility and trust with your audience so they will be open to hearing how you can solve their problems. Sales is the process that starts once they have said they are open to hearing more and you share the actual information with them. Too many network marketers are selling on social, and they're skipping the important steps: storytelling, building trust, giving value, connecting, and asking. You have to stop making it about you. Remember that you are here to serve your audience. People don't come to social media to be sold, they come to connect and they look for answers to their problems. People buy from people they know, like and trust. So your content needs to create value, and be something that your audience can connect to. It needs to educate and inspire them to want to learn more. Why should they work with you? Why should they buy from you? Step 3. Engage with your audience. Posting and creating content is important, and it's a great way to create leverage and share your message. But, in order to get results and increase the value of your content, you need to be a human first and a marketer second. Spend time engaging in the newsfeed. Connect with people one-on-one and develop relationships. Wish people happy birthday and love on their posts. Be interested in them and ask questions about their life. And ask people if they're open to new opportunities, or if they're open to trying something that could help them. Step 4. Use the tools. Most reps spend hours doing workshops, sitting through presentations, and discussing comp plans with people at Starbucks, but why work hard when you can work smart? Didn't everyone in this profession come here for more time with their family? So why spend hours doing something that can take minutes? Whatever you do, make it simple. Make it convenient. Remember, they are simply taking a look, so the commitment level at this point is low. A tool allows them to have control over the process and check out the info when it works best for them. Step 5. Use a follow-up system. You've heard the saying, the fortune is in the follow-up. People are busy. People have doubts. How you show up in your business is what gets people paying attention to you. Show them you are committed. Most people aren't going to purchase or sign up right away. People make decisions slowly and they change their mind quickly. Develop a follow-up strategy for yourself and your team if you don't already have one. Your prospects need multiple exposures. Follow-up doesn't mean constantly hounding someone about your business. But you should stay connected with your leads. When they're ready, you want them to think of you. Do you want to learn how to create success on social media, duplicate results, and have the laptop lifestyle? Or at least create a side hustle that won't drain you of all your energy? Then you need to skill up and get focused on what is working right now. Get the skills and tools you need to create success in your network marketing business by clicking the link in the description below. I'll see you on the inside.